Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, your go-to channel for the latest and most detailed reviews in the two-wheeler world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated adventure bikes of the year, the 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 750. With more power, better tech, and a refined design, this new Himalayan is set to take on bigger terrains and tougher rivals. A bigger, more powerful heart. At the core of the Himalayan 750 is Royal Enfield's brand new 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering a significant boost over the outgoing 450 model. With an estimated 60 horsepower and around 65 newton-meters of torque, this engine promises smooth power delivery across a wide rev range, perfect for highway cruising and off-road tackling alike. It's paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch for better control and performance. Chassis and suspension built for real adventure. The Himalayan 750 gets an all-new twin-spar frame that improves rigidity without compromising comfort. The suspension setup includes inverted front forks and a revised monoshock at the rear, offering improved travel and ground clearance. Whether you're gliding over highways or hammering through rocky trails, this setup is made to inspire confidence. Tech and features modern yet rugged. Royal Enfield has finally stepped up the game with tech. The 2025 model now comes with a full-color TFT display that supports smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride modes. It also includes switchable ABS, traction control, and cruise control, making it the most tech-loaded Himalayan yet without losing that rugged, minimalistic charm. Design, familiar yet fresh. Design-wise, the Himalayan 750 retains the utilitarian look, but with a sharper tank, revised fairing, and modern LED lighting all around. The bike looks muscular and ready for adventure, with a tall windscreen and optional panniers adding to its touring capabilities. It's a bike that looks the part, both in the wild and in the city. Price and expected launch. Royal Enfield is expected to price the Himalayan 750 competitively, starting around 4.5 Indian rupees to 5 lakhs ex-showroom. A global launch is anticipated in mid to late 2025, with India getting it first, followed by international markets. Outro, final thoughts. With more power, refined dynamics, and a feature-rich package, the 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 750 is shaping up to be a true globetrotter's dream. Stay tuned to Bike Reviews Pro for the latest updates, detailed reviews, and test rides. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you love bikes as much as we do.